Hey everyone, welcome to another How to Webflow. In this video tutorial, I'll be answering Victor's question that he posted on the Webflow forums over at forum.webflow.com. Victor writes, "Hello guys, is there any way to use data from my CMS in a form select field? I searched a lot and probably I would need to use embedded code. Thanks." So yes, I have done this before, and the answer to that is yes, you do need to use some custom code, and I'll show you how to do it. It's really simple. Here we go. All right, here we go. So I have a categories collection that is just dummy data. And so what I'm going to do is put all these into a drop down, into a form select field drop down, whatever. Anyways, so here's how we're gonna do this. Gonna make this a little bit pretty. I'm just gonna put a container, push it away from the top. All right, and now I'm going to drag in a form block. Okay, now for this demonstration, let's just remove all of the elements in the form and then put in a select. Okay, now let's go ahead and name this select field something like select field. Okay, then I'm going to go to the settings panel, delete the pre-made settings that Webflow has created for me, and that's it for this. Next, we're going to drag in our collection list. There we go. We can put it anywhere we want. Pull from the collection that we want. And then in here, I'm going to drag in a text block. And we're going to get the text from name. So these are all the collection item names. All right. And now for each of these text blocks, I want the class name to be select item. Okay, now the question is, well, the challenge is, how do we get this into here? So if I preview, there's nothing in here. I want all of this to go in here, and this is where some jQuery needs to happen. All right, and again, with all these tutorials, if you need the jQuery, I'll put it in the YouTube description. So yeah, here we go. Here's the jQuery. Okay, so let me go line by line. We're gonna tell the browser, hey, we have some JavaScript. So we write that, and then line 3, we have a $sign to say, hey, this is jQuery, and then in between these parentheses is our single quotes, and in the single quotes we're saying we're targeting the class name of dot select dash item. Okay, so what this line means is for each select item that you see on the page, do something. Okay, so that's what line 3 means. So what are we doing? We are finding the select item, which is this. Okay, this means a shortcut, so this text. So whatever is in this select item, find the text and save it in the temporary memory of the browser, and we're saving it as letter S. You can name your variable anything you want. I'm just using the letter S, and that's what line 4 means. Line 5, this is when we put HTML in dynamically. All right, so I'm going to put select field. Okay, so what line 5 means is find select field, which is our drop down select thing, and append or add HTML inside of it. And so for each select item, add option value. So this is the HTML you would write to add a new drop down item. Okay, so option value, and the value of this drop down is whatever this text is. So that's why S goes from here to here. All right, and then for the text, for people to see what they're selecting, we'll use the letter S as well. okay, because we're going to use it as a value and also the text that people see. And then we end that HTML, and that's it. So what this is doing right here is dynamically doing this. So see the text and the value? That's what we were doing right here for the text, for the HTML. So append the text and the value. All right, save, publish, and wait for it. There we go. Now, since this is custom code, you won't be able to preview this inside of Webflow. So if I go like this, it doesn't work because there's custom code. But if I go here, it does work. All right, and so let's look at the HTML real quick. No, back up. Inspect is better. Okay, so this is my select field, and then this is the option, value, and the text. And so this is what the script has done for me. All right, hope this helps. All right, that's it for this video. If you have a suggestion for a future video or you have a comment about this one, please leave that in the comments below. If you want to support me, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, the like, and the notification bell. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's @thepixelgeek. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, make the web beautiful together. See ya.